What's up YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name's Jess and I want to bring you on a journey in building models. So stick around, like and subscribe, and please don't forget to share. Thanks. Okay guys, so little speed bump here. I accidentally forgot to put in the tongue piece and I have already sealed this guy. So if you'll bear with me, I'm gonna have to perform a little bit of surgery. The next thing I need to do is sand the seams and try and get them really smooth. That way when I put the primer on, you know, everything comes out really, you know, flush. So yeah, I'm gonna be sanding for the next 6 years. Here we go. So I'm gonna have to use a little Bondo to fill like these cracks in the tongue and then like on the knuckles here, just to fill in those little cracks. That way the paint goes and lays on it really nice. So yeah, we'll let this dry and then we'll do a little bit more sanding, and then I'll prime it one more time lightly, and then we'll begin painting.
guys, so that's about it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to see me do more builds, please let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend.